Hello, just a quick video in English. Normally I do videos in Finnish nowadays. But anyway, just a quick video about Adobe Premiere playback window lagging. Now I started doing editing again, and now it's something that I couldn't find a fix on YouTube or on the forums or anywhere. And this is just something I found with my friend on accident when we're trying to debug the issue here. So let's run Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So here's one of my videos, and the other fixes I could find were edit, preferences, memory, and from here you basically give all the RAM to Adobe Premiere with this slider. It's not a slider. Anyway, the other one was this playback resolution, just to put it on low. At first the video works fine, but at the end it works like this. Now there's all the proxies and re-renders and everything you can do, but meh, I don't want to do that. So by accident I found this. Just go edit, preferences, media, and here you have H64 hardware accelerated decoding. Put that off. Okay, you need to restart. And now, even with full resolution, it's smooth. I hope this helps you, like it helped me. But anyway, thank you for watching and stay safe. Bye.